Starting a home healthcare business in Wisconsin can be a fulfilling endeavor, especially with the growing demand for quality care. In this video, we'll guide you through the essential steps to help you build a successful home healthcare agency in Wisconsin. First, let's talk about research and planning. Conducting thorough market research is essential. Identify the specific needs of your target clients, assess the competition, and look for ways to stand out. A detailed market analysis will help you build a solid foundation for your business. Next, develop a comprehensive business plan. This should include a mission statement, business goals, an overview of your organizational structure, and financial projections. Don't forget to outline your marketing strategies. Knowing how you'll reach your clients is key. Now, let's move on to the licensing process. In Wisconsin, you'll need to obtain a healthcare license through the Department of Health Services. This involves submitting forms, background checks for all owners and employees, and meeting regulatory standards. Once your application is submitted, the Division of Quality Assurance, or DQA, will review it. Be prepared for an initial survey that includes an on-site visit to assess compliance. Meeting all these requirements will ensure your agency is fully licensed and ready to operate. Providing high-quality care should be your top priority. Ensure that caregivers are properly trained and have access to ongoing education. Effective communication strategies are also essential. They help you address any changes in a client's condition quickly. Gathering client feedback is another way to improve your services and build loyalty. Listening to your clients and making adjustments based on their needs will set your agency apart from competitors. To grow your business, it's crucial to identify and reach out to potential clients. The elderly population in Wisconsin is rapidly increasing, but there are also others who may need home healthcare services, such as individuals with chronic conditions, children with special needs, and those recovering from surgeries. Focus on building relationships with referral sources, like hospitals and clinics, and leverage digital marketing to broaden your reach. With the right preparation, you're well on your way to making a meaningful impact in Wisconsin's healthcare industry. Remember, a successful home healthcare business isn't just about compliance, it's about providing quality care and building trust with your clients. Best of luck as you embark on this journey. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful on starting a home healthcare business in Wisconsin, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.